Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a hair video, and as you can see from the title, you can probably tell what this video is going to be about, so let's jump right into it. I attempted to do passion twists. If you guys haven't heard of passion twists were created by the Boho babe. I believe that's her name. I will leave her YouTube channel down below as well as her Instagram page. I came across this tutorial maybe like a month or so ago, and I fell in love with the tutorial. I've been stalking her Instagram page. I'm like, I want to try this hairstyle. So I finally had time to try the hairstyle this weekend, and long story short, I don't like it. All her pictures look really pretty, but I don't think that mine's look like her. I mean, I don't know. Like, it's not that they don't look like hers. I guess I just don't like the way they look on me. So I will say that I did change a few things. I did film the actual install process of me doing it, so I will put that at the end. I just want to talk through the 3 things that I changed in the method. In her tutorial, she used the Freetress water wave, but she also said that you can use the Bohemian wave. They didn't have the water wave at my beauty supply, so I went with the Bohemian wave. The second thing that I did different was she does the knotless root method. So that means that's when you basically start twisting at the root and working your way down. I didn't do that method. I know how to do it, but I'm not that good at it, and when I do it, it just slows me down completely. So I just went ahead and started mine as a braid and then started the twist. The third thing that I did differently, in her tutorial, she does the twist and pull up method. I did try that. However, my hair is in the 4s, and I did see her tutorial where she did it on her hair, which is in the 4 range as well. But I just found that my hair wasn't blending well. My natural hair wasn't blending well when I was doing like the twist and pull up method. So I did the twist as you go method. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. Basically how Senegalese twists are done. So where you twist the hair as you're twisting it. And I feel like that allowed me to blend my hair in better. Yeah, those are the 3 things that I changed. I mean, when I look at my hair, as I'm looking in the viewfinder, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see that good. But like, the silhouette doesn't look bad. And after I did them, I'm like, let me go look at her pictures because something is wrong. And it doesn't look that much different than her pictures, but I don't know, I just don't like it. I think that the roots made a difference, so I do recommend doing the knotless root method. It took me 6 hours to do. I started on a Friday night, worked for 3 hours, and then woke up the next morning and did it for another 3 hours, and I was done. So that's a good thing, is that it didn't take that long to do. I used 3 packs of hair. She recommended using more hair, but I just didn't want it super full and big. And I also mixed in a little bit of some different hair. You'll see it as I do the tutorial. So I was really excited for this, but because I don't like it, I know me, and they'll probably be out by the end of the week. So I'm just going to turn them into faux locks so I can get some wear out of them. If I try these again, I am going to follow her tutorial perfectly, like do everything that she did. I know part of it is that I just need to work on my technique as well. Even if my technique was right, I still just don't know if I would like the style on me. I got compliments on it, but it's one of them things, like if I don't like it, even if somebody tells me they like it, then yeah. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. If you guys have any suggestions, any tips, anything, let me know. Definitely check out the Boho Babe's tutorial because her tutorial is very in-depth, and it's a good tutorial if you do want to learn how to do the style. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to jump into this tutorial portion right now.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Freetress Bohemian braid hair in 20 inches. And I got the color number 4. Start by showing you guys how to prep the hair. The hair comes like in these individual curls. So basically you want to separate the end of each curl. So separate it like that. Then I'm going to the other end. I'm just going to split it in half. And this is what you'll end up with. So I'm also mixing it with a little bit of this other wavy hair that I had. I didn't want my hair super full. I didn't want my twist really big. I was kind of going for the smaller size. So I only used like 1 curl of the bohemian freetress hair, and then I mixed it with a little bit of that wavy hair just to add a little more fullness to it. So I'm going to start by sectioning off the area where I'm going to braid, and I'm using my Kiss Edge Fixer. So I'm going to start by attaching the hair like I would do a regular individual single braid. So I put my hair with one piece of the braiding hair, and then I just start braiding, and I'm going to readjust my arms, and I braid down maybe like about an inch and a half before I start twisting. Basically, to switch from a braid to a twist, you're just going to add two of your sections together. I'm going to take some edge control, and I'm going to start twisting one end with the edge control, and this is really to just kind of hide my natural hair, and then I'm just going to start twisting on down. And again, like I mentioned in my intro, I am twisting as I twist. As you guys can see, my wrist, it kind of twirls as I go down because I'm twisting each side of the twist as I twist them together. I know it sounds complicated, but it's really not. And then when I get to the end, I just kind of twirl it to seal it off, and that's how it looks. So then I'm going to take some setting foam. I'm using the Motion setting foam, and I'm just going to kind of rake this through the twist. It just kind of smooths the hair together, gets rid of any frizz, and just kind of sets the curls in place. And I'm also going to go in with my scissors and just kind of clip away any little pieces that kind of separate it from the twist. And I'm going to clip any frayed and strayed hair at the end. And guys, that was pretty much it. That's all I did. Again, my technique was a little different from the Boho babes. I do recommend you guys go check out her tutorial. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.